The world is changing, and now more than ever, we need to be vigilant about the things we touch and the germs we get exposed to doing everyday activities. From riding on public transit, touching door handles, pushing public buttons and keypads, handling money, and shaking hands, there are a million ways you can spread germs to yourself and others. That's why we bring you Eco Gloves, the first individually packed, eco-friendly gloves that help you handle everyday germs and messes on the go. They're the perfect solution to help you avoid direct contact with shared surfaces such as door handles, gas pumps, ticket counter touchscreens, and shopping carts by providing a physical barrier between you and the things you touch. They're made from plant-based materials, are 100% compostable, so they make it convenient for you to stay clean on the go while being environmentally friendly. And unlike other solutions that are bulky and are a hassle to carry around, or ones that can leak and spill in your pocket, Eco Gloves is small, lightweight, and easy to carry so you can take them anywhere you go. With 24 pairs packed in these convenient size packets, you can stash them in your pocket, backpack, purse, and even wallet. And they're strong and durable so they can handle the toughest of jobs. There are germs and messes to be dealt with out there, but now you don't have to hold back on life when you have Eco Gloves to protect you.
Hi, I'm Patty, founder of the world's first eco-friendly glove for everyday messes on the go. As a new mom, I knew that good health starts with clean hands. That's why I needed clean hands constantly when eating on the go, picking up dirty items, or cleaning around the house while caring for my son. It hasn't always been easy, but having Eco Gloves has given me clean hands, peace of mind, and most importantly, it has allowed me to tend to my now toddler quicker, faster, and before a meltdown. And now, I hope it helps you, if not for caring for your kids, then for eating on the go, meal prepping, picking up after your furry friend, or even household cleaning. And what I love about this product is that it's 100% compostable, biodegradable, BPA-free, latex-free, and completely eco-friendly so you can use them without guilt. And they come in these convenient sized packets so you can stash them in your purse, wallet, pocket, and even diaper bag without hassle. We've created some amazing samples, but now we need your help to bring this product to life. Your contributions will allow us to meet our factory's minimum quantity requirement and enable us to create this premium quality product that I know you will come to love. Don't take my word for how great it can be to have instant clean hands on the go. Join us, try it for yourself, and experience how much easier, better life could be.